guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with an old friend. You guys know him. Was part of Fishing Slingers before. Let's get to Ant, guys. If you're an OG, you remember Ant. It used to be me, George, and Ant part of Fishing Slingers, but me and Ant decided to come out to this body of water. You guys know, like I said, if you're an OG, you guys know we used to fish this place all the time. We got the John boat rigged up. We got 2 oars. We didn't bring the motor out today, but we got a nice little body of water behind us here. Good part about this lake is there's a lot of fish in it, but during the pre-spawn is when we get the biggest fish out of here. We usually catch, it's more of a numbers place, but in the pre-spawn we've actually caught some decent sized fish, some 4s, some 5s. Hopefully we get a 4 or 5 today. That would be exciting. Also guys, some important news for the channel. I recently teamed up with a company called Follow the Action. You guys saw me wear it in last week's video. I didn't really talk about it too much, but right there, Follow the Action. It's also on the back of my shirt back there. So pretty much Follow the Action, they've reached out to me like, yo, let's sponsor you, let's hook you up with some gear. It's an apparel company. They got some awesome designs. You guys are gonna see me wear them throughout my videos. Today I'm just wearing, like I said, this is a regular Follow the Action sweatshirt. They have some cool design like Hog Hunter, Slab Slayer. They have some awesome stuff you're gonna see me wear throughout the year. I'm gonna wear them all the time. Much for now on, you're gonna see them in like all my videos. I'm always gonna be representing and wearing their stuff. If you guys do like anything you see, it's always gonna be linked down in the description. Followtheaction.com. You can use code Slingers15 for 15% off your purchase. They got some awesome stuff on the website, guys. You gotta check it out. But like I said, you'll see me wearing a bunch of their stuff throughout this year. That being said, I'm gonna put you guys down, switch you guys to the chesty. Me and Ant are getting in the water and we're gonna sling some bass. Toss the anchor whenever you're ready. My first fish I ever caught here was right there in the middle. I remember. We really didn't know how good this place was. Got one. I got one. Just like you said, right in the middle of the open. Spinnerbait fish, baby. Oh, did he get off? No, I still got him. Little guy. That's all right. First fish of the day, dude. Oh, yeah. Nice little dude. Nice little dude. His first fish of the day. The spinnerbait sink a little bit. Slow rolled it off the bottom, and this guy, nothing huge. Obviously, we're going for bigger ones today, but that's a good one to start the day. Only been here for about 6 minutes, and I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling real confident. We gotta catch one big fish today, dude.
I'm just trying to beat myself.
There's one. There's another one. Next cast. Try to what, beat your PB today? That's doable, bro. We got one on here. A little bit bigger than the last one. Not big though. That's all right. Next cast after. Bring him up here, baby. There we go. It's another fish on board. Number 2. Probably like 2 inches bigger. So we're getting bigger. Obviously not the ones we're looking for, but still a bigger fish, and there she goes. Woo! Back-to-back cast, baby. Sorry. That's a guaranteed fish catch on this cast. There's one. Small again, dude. It's the same size. It's the same fish, bro, I swear. She's got a little fight to him. Okay. He's fighting a little bit. I think it's the same size, though. It's not big at all. A couple minutes after I just lost that last one. Oh, this one's a little bigger. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I just gotta get this one in though, you know. That's a chunky one. For so far. There it is. That's not bad. Yeah, that's a good one for I'd say this pond, but definitely some bigger ones in here, right at the top of the mouth. And let's get her out real quick. Slow roll that spinnerbait in the same spot, kind of like this middle area. That's a smaller one, but oh, look at the gut on that thing, dude. That's a mean gut on that one. She is eating for sure. There's the first decent fish of the day. It's the 3rd fish of the day. We've been here for almost an hour, but look at the gut on that bad boy. Not a terrible fish, to be honest. Probably just 2 pounds, but not a great fish though. We're gonna hoist her on back right here. Get nice and close and personal with this one. The water's nice and cold. Caught in that spinnerbait. Look at her. Look how nice that fish looks. Ooh, kicks right off. All right. Not bad, not bad. Now I just can't feel my hands, so that's cool. But whatever, we'll catch some more fish. I got some white grubs. Like I got a white grub like the one right there. Yeah, you want one like that. Actually, the tail's bit off. What the hell? I didn't notice that. I got one. Woo! I thought I felt something. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh, finally. Decent fish. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been forever. Please don't get off. Didn't know if I had one. Felt a little dead weight, pretty close to the boat. He chopped it. Ah, finally, that's a decent fish. And oh, right in the top of his mouth. Look how cool that looks, dude. I mean, probably probably like my 8th or 9th fish of the day, but this is probably our best fish. It's a nice one, nice pre-spawner, but you know, we're looking for a bigger fish. This one actually launched on the spinnerbait, sorry, not the spinnerbait, the bluegill swimbait right there. Hit it really close to the boat. Threw the bigger bait because I thought, you know, bigger fish, and it seems like it's working out right now. First fish in a while. We're gonna come down here, get a nice release on this girl. Let's get real close to her so I can get like a nice still of it too. Put her in the water. Oh, nice and elegant, just like that, baby. And that's how it's done. Let's do it. Let's get some more. Woohoo! It's been interesting out here today. I mean, we've been catching fish, but they just haven't been big, and that's the main problem. We really don't know what's working because some baits are working, some baits are not. So we haven't really solved the fish out, but it's nice to get a nice one on that. The bluegill swimming it real slow right in the middle of the lake here, probably about 7 or 8 feet deep, and he actually hit it pretty close to the boat, so he must have followed it in, and he cranked it at the last second. He didn't even know I had him on at first, but let's catch some more fish. This is good. I think we're on a good trend here, and let's keep this going. Last cast magic, baby. Swear to God, I just got hit. Swear to God. Make that. There's fish on the bluegill. On the bluegill swimbait, boys. Please be bigger than it. If it's the size of all the fish we've been catching, bro, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Because I lost my spinnerbait, but I switched to the bluegill, and that's a nice one. Hey, bigger bait. Oh, he's barely hooked though. It's definitely the second biggest, probably, or the biggest. He's not big by any means, but still.
What we caught today?
Yeah, exactly, for what we've been catching today. Yeah, that's the second biggest. I mean, he's still really small, but guys, look at, he chomped the bluegill. That's awesome. Switched to this. Thought I got a tap. He came back for it and slammed it. I'm gonna take a quick picture of this because that looks kind of cool, and then we'll put it back in the water. That one, not a big fish at all, but still second biggest of the day. Bring her down and drop her in. And me and Ann are actually gonna keep moving down this shoreline deeper back there. We're hoping that the bigger fish are stacked back there, and this bluegill swimbait could be the move. So I'm excited. Hopefully we can get in some more fish. See, like now the wind like shifted again. Why didn't it? Should we be, there's fish on the chatterbait right off these logs. All right. Let's see, how is he? Still small, but bigger than the smallest one. So that's good. I just pushed up to the chatterbait, kind of threw it by these logs, and was kind of twitching it, letting it drop. You know, kind of working it like a jig. And this guy just smoked it, so it's not bad. We'll get him up here. All right, nothing huge, but we haven't caught a fish in a little bit. Chatterbait fish. It's like the third. I think it's the third bait caught fish on today. Just a little guy, nothing crazy. Drop her down. Oh God, water all over me. I have a fish. That was really close to the boat, actually. I was just screwing around with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a little guy though. He's got a lot of fight in him because they just got him right next to the boat. Bring him around Funky Town. Get up here, brother. Oh, okay. Another chatterbait fish. This one was actually, we're like 10 feet of water, like right here. And we're casting to the bait and kind of bringing it in, but this one actually hit real close to the boat. I was just kind of, I was not doing a steady retrieve. You know, sometimes, like I said before, you got to change it up. He came in at the last second, so he must have followed it all the way in. Nothing big. We're still looking for a big bite. Keep moving along the shoreline as we've been doing the whole day, and hopefully we can run into a big fish, because that's what we need right now. We need something big. We know they're here. They usually bite in pre-spawn, so that's what's next. Big fish, big fish. What? Yeah. Oh, I just got bit hard. Come back for it. Fish. Yes. Doesn't feel the greatest, but hey, that's a fish, so I'll take it. How does a small one end up biting this? Got a lot of energy in him. Oh yeah. We just moved over here because we figured out the fish are deep, and we were getting only bites in the swim baits. I'm like, you know, it is kind of deep in this area right here in front of us. I was like, let's head back over here where we started. And sure enough, there's fish over here. Obviously not the size we're looking for. I didn't think one this small would actually bite this, but I mean, I guess anything goes for a bluegill. Pops right out. Nice little guy. Some healthy fish in here too, and they're all a little chunky, getting ready for the spawn. Still in the pre-spawn mode for sure, but hopefully we catch a bigger one. Oh God, a lot of water. All right, guys, well, me and Ann are good off the water. That's gonna do it for today. Pretty much to recap, I don't know if we ever really figured the fish out. I mean, they were on the shorelines, we know that. They were not on the bank. I think they're all just like sitting and chilling in the middle. We really didn't know what was going on. Bait of choice for today, we had some spinnerbaits on, and sorry about this wind, by the way, it's pretty bad. We had some spinnerbaits on, and then we switched to this bluegill. Take a better look at that. Right there, the little bluegill swimbait was pretty money today. Didn't really get any big fish today, but you know what, that happens sometimes. Sometimes it just be like that. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, be sure to smack that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, subscribe. Like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, you're gonna be seeing me repping a bunch of Follow the Action gear coming up here. It's gonna be awesome. Remember, code Slinger15. Link down below. Their website's always gonna be linked down below in all their videos. So all the stuff I'll be wearing from now on is from Follow the Action. Huge shout out to them for supporting the channel. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because, you know, come on, you'll be notified when the video drops. Huge shout out for Ann for coming out today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.